In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot and Aircall. This is a fantastic way to streamline your communication and CRM processes, ensuring a seamless experience for your team and your clients. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this integration. To start, we need to navigate to the HubSpot user guide from HubSpot. Consider this your home base for the integration process. If you're not familiar with where to find it, simply log into your HubSpot account and head to the user guide section. This is where all the magic begins. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as it will make things easier as we proceed. Now that we're in our user guide, let's head over to the marketplace. Think of the marketplace as the grand bazaar of all apps you can integrate with HubSpot. It's where you'll find Aircall and many other great tools to optimize your workflow. Clicking on the marketplace will take you to an extensive library of apps and integrations that HubSpot supports. Once you're in the marketplace, the next step is to click on Apps. This will display a list of available applications, organized so you can easily sort through and find exactly what you need. It's a straightforward process, but if you're ever unsure, remember there's always helpful documentation and support available through HubSpot. Now comes the fun part. We need to search for Aircall within the Apps section. In the search bar, simply type in Aircall and press Enter. This will bring up the Aircall app listing, which is integral to this whole process. Aircall is a VoIP service tailor-made for businesses, designed to enhance your team's communication capabilities. After you've located Aircall in the search results, click on it. This will take you to the dedicated Aircall app page, where you can learn more about what it offers and see how it integrates with HubSpot. Spend a little time looking through the features Aircall provides and how they align with your business needs. It provides great functionalities like call tracking and customer analytics that can be seamlessly logged into HubSpot. Finally, you're ready to install the app. On the Aircall page, you'll see an option to Install App. Click on that and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. The instructions will guide you through the necessary permissions and settings to ensure a smooth integration. Once installed, explore the functionalities available with the integration to ensure you're utilizing its full potential. This integration allows your calls and data to effortlessly sync with HubSpot, meaning you can keep track of customer interactions more efficiently than ever. And that's it. You're now set up with HubSpot and Aircall integration. By integrating these two powerful platforms, you've taken a big step towards improving communication and tracking within your organization. If you have any questions or run into any issues during this process, remember that HubSpot's support is just a click away. I hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.